I'm going to make a guess that there's probably no one in this room who is impacted more by, well, maybe Mrs. Cunningham, by a tax increase than I am with my home and business. The reality of it is, though, 2% versus a 3%, a 1% change isn't going to make or break me. It's the tax itself that's going to break me, and I can't do anything about that. So I kind of think that for the fiscal solvency of the district, I've got to bite the bullet and go for the 3.